So in today's video, we have the extremely late Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a $28 monthly beauty subscription. So if you want to see what I got, here are my thoughts and opinions. And is it worth the price increase? Are we going to keep this in 2022? Then keep on watching. All right, really quickly, if you cannot get to my community page, I know like iPads and different things don't have a community page, or if you're not getting notifications. My boys have COVID, and they're pretty sick. Well, my youngest son is really, really sick. My oldest son still, the last 2 weeks, he still hasn't had his smell back. Me and my husband and my daughter tested negative, but I wasn't feeling too good. I didn't have like the cold symptoms, like the coughing, the nose. I had like the headache. And I had, like every time I would get up, I felt so lightheaded, like I had to lay back down. Or like when I got in the shower, right? Like, so when you wash your hair or something like that, it was like my arms, I felt like I did like an hour workout at the gym or something like that, you know? It was that. So that's why I got tested and I was negative. So I'm surprised. Now they said I might've got tested a little bit too early, but I don't have any of that coughing or anything like that. So hopefully it's just maybe like, you know, the doctor said I could have like the 24-hour flu or something going on. I don't know. Anyway, so I haven't filmed for a while because I've been taking care of them. Anyway, so let me show you the bag. This is for the month of December. And I've said this before, I don't think these look like December Christmas bags, right? They remind me more of like January, like party. I don't know. All right, and the theme for this month is Time to Shine. Yeah, and there's nothing on here to tell me like the prices and stuff. So yeah, let me go to my app. In case you don't know about Ipsy Plus, Ipsy picks 2 items that goes by your profile, and you get to pick 3. So you get 5 full-size items with this. And the first thing that Ipsy picked for me is by Complex Culture. This is the blush duo, and I've never tried their blush duo, so I'm like really excited to try this. I heard they have a bronzer too, and I haven't tried their bronzer. I think the only makeup, because I know they have really good brushes, I think was eyeshadow palette, I think. It comes like this. And this is how their eyeshadow palette comes, like in the same packaging. All right, so you get one of these thingamajiggies and a nice mirror. Okay, you get like a matte and a satin blush, and they are really pretty. I'm probably blinding you. All right, let's do some swatches. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so it's a little light, especially this one. You can't really see. Let me go in again just to build it up. That way you guys can see the color. Okay, so that's going in 3 times just so that you guys can see the color. I probably would mix both of these, but it's really pretty and I'm happy to get it. Oh, I forgot. This is $30. Get it together, Anne.
My God, pull yourself together.
Okay, so the next thing that they picked for me was this Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. And this sucker is $49. And I say this all the time. Elemis used to be my favorite skincare. Now I like Juice Beauty, but I really like Elemis. But look at this. How much packaging they waste. All right, so that's what it looks like. And I've tried this before, and I like it. So yeah, I'll definitely use it and love it. Okay, so I picked this Trelise Beauty. These are 2 eyeliners, and they are in Forte and Honest, and they are $24. So I'm surmising $12 a piece. Now, in my Ipsy Glam Bag, I got one of these, and I'm actually wearing it today. It's like an olive green color. It's really, really pretty. I absolutely love this color. It's like a bluish purple, but these are the shades right here. Let's do a little swatch. So we have like a copper and a black. There's the copper and there's the black. What I can tell you for me, now this is the only first time that I'm wearing it today, and it's that olive green color. Because I have watery eyes, so I had to like keep going over and over and over, but it seems like it's staying. it's just not as pigmented for me. And I think it's because maybe my eyes are watery, but I do like it. So I'll definitely try these out and see how it goes. Okay, the next thing is this Shayna B Miami palette. This is what I chose, and this is $20. Of course, this is full size. Ever since I deleted my account and got a new account, because you guys know all those issues I was having, like I really got some good choices this month. I'm really happy. So you just pull that out. You have one of these things. You have a little mirror right there. The mirror is okay. And these are the colors. The only critique I have is me personally, I don't like a glitter eyeshadow, but if you don't like that, you could put like clear tape over that, you know, so it doesn't get in the other shadows. But let's do some swatches. I'm going to take this off and then swatch this. Okay, these are the first 4. Oh, wow. Well, look at that. It's only going in one time. And look at that. That's really pretty. Okay, these are the last 3, and then I'll do the glitter. Okay, the black, I went into it twice because when I swatched it the first time, it was like a grayish black, but it is buildable. And for me personally, that's the way I like it. All right, let me do the glitter and see how that swatches. Oh, this is nice. This feels like it's very sticky together. Like it's going to swatch. Yes, look at this. Look how good that swatch. I put a lot on my finger and look, because I thought it was going to be like that other kind of glitter. So this glitter I like. Do you know what this reminds me of? I don't know if you guys ever had got the Tati palettes and those like glittery. That's exactly how this is. Like, wow, that's really pretty. I spoke too soon. Now, these are the type of glitters I do like. Wow. Okay, so we have that. Okay, and then the last thing I picked was from Uma Beauty. This is a lipstick for $24. And do you know, I've never tried anything that I can remember from Uma Beauty. I hear really good things about her foundation and stuff, so I was really glad to get this. What's the shade? In Maya. Oh, that's pretty. It looks like a brown color. Let's see. Let's see. Where I'm going to put you at? Put you right here. Oh, okay. This is pretty. I could deal with that. It's like a reddish brown. And then what I would do is go like right in the middle of my lip. Like I put this all over my lips and then go into middle with like a lighter shade and then do this. That's what I usually do. And yeah, so because I love, oh, is that? Yeah, that's magnet. Look. It's so fascinating. But yeah, these are right up my alley. I love bullet lipsticks. All right, so let's go over what I got, and then I'll show you my add-ons and stuff, and like the candle. I also got a candle from Ipsy, so we'll go over that real quick in case you're interested in the candles. So I got this blush duo palette. I got the Elemis Eye Recovery, which I've tried it before, love it. I got the duo eyeliners. I got the Uma Beauty lipstick, which I think is absolutely stunning. This palette right here with that glitter. I mean, guys, look at that glitter. I can't get over that. And the swatches, the only one I went in twice was the black one here. I'm really impressed with this. All right, so my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I think if I had to rate it on a scale 1 to 5, it's probably like a 4.5. The only reason why is this, like I wasn't doing cartwheels when I tried the one on today. You know what I mean? But I'll have to try these colors out and see. But I think it's a great, great bag. Like I'm not disappointed. It was well worth the wait. Okay, so let's go over, like I use points and add-ons and stuff. So for my add-on, I'll show you the Ipsy candle. So I was, you know, when I heard that Ipsy had candles, because I was having all those issues getting into my account, I couldn't get one, right? So this was just an add-on. They also have in the refreshments, you can purchase a candle and get it like every month, I think for like $23 or $24. So, but I got this one time. It's one of the add-ons, and it came in like a refreshments bag. Oh my God, and it smells amazing. I didn't light it up or anything because I wanted to have like a real first impressions with this. Oh my God, this smells so good that I took this bubble wrap out. Like, I mean, I'm telling you, You can definitely smell it. It smells really good. Okay. I'm going to light it up too, so that way we can see how it lights and stuff. All right. So when you open it up, it comes like this. So that's what they would look like. It's like holographic. This is like a blue color down here. It's very pretty. So it has one wick. My God, that smells amazing. This is spiced cedar. It smells like an apple pie. Okay, so let me cut this wick a little bit, and then we're going to light her up, and then maybe for a few minutes I can smell it and see like how it smells as I show you like what I got on add-ons and stuff. I got this little lighter here on Amazon, and I love it. It has a USB cord where you can charge it, and then when it's all blue here, you know it's charged, and you just press this. Do you see that spark? I'll show you. So you would just right there. This is, they say, is good for cigarettes or stuff like that. I don't smoke, but you know, I really like that though. All right. So we'll wait a few minutes and see how that is. Okay, so I got on points. I got this Viseart palette. And that reminds me, you guys know, we hit 50K. I'm like so excited. And you know, I have that huge giveaway going on. We're going to have at least 10 winners. If you don't already, make sure you turn your post notification bell on, because, you know, my kids were sick. I don't really want to touch the makeup that I'm giving away. So within a few days, then I'll put everything together and do that video. So I didn't forget about it. It is coming soon. Make sure you have your notification bell on so you know when that video goes live, because we all know YouTube don't like to give notifications out. All right, look at that. That is just beautiful, that purple. All right, has the mirror here. Let's take this off. And these are the colors right there. It's just gorgeous. All right, so we have that. And then just two more things. I got this Drawra. This is a scrub. And you guys know I love exfoliating. So I got that. And then this is a moisture boost from Tony Moly. It's an eye serum. And I love any type of eye serums. So I'm going to let this go for about maybe 15-20 minutes. And I will come back and tell you what I think it smells like. I'll go downstairs and come back up and see if I can smell it in the room and stuff. So I'll be right back in 30 minutes for me, but a second for you. All right, so I am back. I just unboxed my Tribe beauty box. So that video should be up tomorrow. And yeah, so this has been going on for about 20 minutes. You guys can see right here, between 20-30 minutes. And can I just tell you, so this is the spice cedar, but it smells like apple pie, like cinnamon apple pie. Oh my God. It smells amazing. So this is the first, I went downstairs because I had to pee. I came back up and you can smell my whole room, you know. I really, really like this. The only thing I will say about it, it looks like it'll burn fast, you know. But I'm going to get a couple more and see what they smell like, because I might get that monthly subscription. I don't know if it's just this one that smells really good or what. But let me know if you tried these candles, and if you have, what do you think of them? Let me know. But this one smells amazing. All right, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I cannot believe how good this smells. Oh my God. All right, Ipsy.